And of course, as Shamira said, we have these dignitaries who've come all the way from Karnataka, and we'll be honoring them. उनके लिए एक छोटा सा token of appreciation, and we'll be thanking them for helping the Indian film industry reach where it has reached today. Uday sir, thank you so much for being here.
ಉದಯ್ ಸರ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. And I know most of the people don't understand Kannada, but one thing is for sure, whenever I say chappale, you can clap, okay?
Chappade! Chappade!
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿರಣ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಇದರ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜು ಸರ್, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬರ್ರಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
मैं बोलता तो नहीं होता है चप्पाड़े.
ಬಸವರಾಜು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟರ್, ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ KVN ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದರ ಸುಪ್ರೀತ್ ಸರ್, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. That's gonna be our thing, yeah. I want everybody to say that. Everybody to say that, alright? What are we gonna say?
KVN.
Bharti ma'am is here, ladies and gentlemen. We have to say chappade. Okay.
Thank you so much, ಸುಪ್ರೀತ್ ಸರ್. KVN ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟರ್. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿನದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಮೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೌದು, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೌದು. ಸರ್, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದಂತಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಸಹಕಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. Thank you sir for being a part of this.
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪದ್ಮಶಾಲಿ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದರ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾಗಿರುವ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಎಚ್ ಸರ್. ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಎಸ್ ಉದಯ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Uday sir, before you go, no, I won't let you go like this. You have to talk to all these amazing people here who've come from across the globe to watch this phenomenal trailer. एक थोड़ा सा कुछ तो बनता है.
Hearty welcome to you all. Please witness the event. Later we'll talk.
You just talk like a producer, right? The boss, he's like, this is all I have for you. Just relax, bro. Okay, thank you so much. Please be seated, sir.
Exactly.
It happened for the first time in our country that people actually paid to watch the teaser.
True.
And I believe they've earned a lot of moolah.
Exactly, but they earned a lot of money because there were so many fans who came and enjoyed the teaser.
Right.
But twist तो बनता है ना, because it's Martin. वो मूला का क्या हुआ वो बोलूंगी मैं, लेकिन उससे पहले you have to watch one beautiful video. Are you ready, Nitin Kaka?
Yeah, of course. Chappade! We are ready, ladies and gentlemen, for that video. Of course, there's something that we'll get to see on the big screen right before the trailer. We'll get to see the teaser celebration. The entire country, of course, loved the teaser. It has got more than
98 million. That is also first ever in Indian cinema.
Right.
First ever teaser which crossed 98 million.
Wow, that's huge. That's huge.
Exactly.
And people celebrated it. They went to watch it in theaters. Just take a look at the celebration of the entire thing, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
All eyes on the big screen.
ಬಿಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರು ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಯಲಹಂಕ ವಿಧಾನಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ MLA ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ ಮುನೇಗೌಡರು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುನೇಗೌಡರು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Chappade! We're going to do this the entire evening, I'm telling you.
This is the best thing ever happened to me. Thank you so much, Munigauda sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Premiere show, we collected all the money and our team donated the money to Goshala, which was a very beautiful
What
initiative.
a noble and a beautiful cause, yeah?
Yes.
Wow.
क्या सोचते हो आप मार्टिन के बारे में?
नहीं, मैं कुछ अच्छा ही सोच रहा. चप्पाड़े! जो भी मैं सिर्फ यही सोच रहा हूँ आज. All I want to say is this team is doing a brilliant job with this, and of course the promotions. Yesterday in Karnataka. A couple of people, some lucky souls, got to see the trailer, right? That was again a paid preview, and the entire show was sold out on BMS in 8 minutes flat. That's kick-ass, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, the proceeds from that will also go to the
Yes.
Goshala, right?
Exactly.
That's what they've told us.
Yes,
They're going to do that.
ಎಸ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 4th ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಶೋ ಕೂಡ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ಗೆ ವೀರೇಶ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ,
Right.
ಐ ನೋ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೌದು ವೀರೇಶ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ 1 ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಖತರ್ನಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಮೂಲ ಏನಿದೆ, ಓಕೆ,
प्रीति ने देखा, कबीर ने देखा, सबको बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आया. Tom watched it, Harry watched it, everybody just loved the trailer in Bengaluru. Yes.
एग्जैक्टली, एंड वी आर डोनेटिंग ट्रेलर वाला प्रीमियर शो का पैसा भी टू गौशाला.
That's a beautiful thing.
Yes.
On a very serious note, ladies and gentlemen, that's a beautiful thing to do. And now another, acknowledgement, round of acknowledgements, I would say. We'd like to invite on stage some very important people who made this possible. अगर वो लोग नहीं होते तो मुझे नहीं लगता ये इतना कमाल ढंग से हो पाता. Of course, we'll be inviting the star cast, we'll be inviting the director sahab, the producer sahab, but before that, it is only fair that we invite on stage the technical crew, ladies and gentlemen. Who do we start with? Please tell me.
ಎಸ್, ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದು ಹಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ರವಿ ವರ್ಮಾ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟು.
He's a brilliant action choreographer, ladies and gentlemen. One of the leading, like the most amazing in India. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye Ravi sir ke liye ek baar, please.
ರವಿ ವರ್ಮಾ ಸರ್, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್.
Welcome sir. क्यों भूल रहे हैं हम लोग? Welcome sir. Thank you so much for being here. Of course, आपका नाम जो है, your name is associated with all these brilliant blockbusters. You being a part of this amazing film, amazing looking film. Martin, what do you have to say, sir?
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್. इसका भी ನಾನು ಒಂಚೂರು ಹಿಂದಿಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಮ್ಮವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
ಶೋರ್
सॉरी.
ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ये जो मूवी करने के लिए जो मेरे को ऑफर दिया है, मैं स्पेशली थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ मेरा प्रोड्यूसर सर को, मेहता सर को. और ये सभी अचीव करने के लिए मेरा हीरो, जो कुछ भी मैं कंपोज कर रहा था उसका साथ दिया मेरा हीरो. और मेरा दोस्त, मेरा बचपन का यार है. एक्चुअली फर्स्ट फिल्म से मैं और डायरेक्टर साथ पे काम कर रहे हैं. और एक्शन के बारे में बोलना है तो मैं इंडस्ट्री में आके 25 इयर्स हो गया मेरा आके, 26 ईयर रनिंग. बट मेरा अंदर जो है एक्शन, ऐसा करना है, ऐसा सोचना है, जो कुछ भी मैं सोचता हूँ ना, उसके लिए राइट टाइम ये आया था मेरे को. मेरा लाइफ करियर में राइट टाइम ये आया मेरे को. लेकिन इसमें एक्सपेशली मेरा एक्चुअली एक्शन ही बहुत है. एक्सपेशली दो मेन सीक्वेंस के लिए बोलना चाहता हूँ. उसके लिए गट्स चाहिए. गट्स का मतलब मेरा प्रोड्यूसर है, और कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ. लेकिन उसका पीछे जो कुछ भी एक्शन करने के टाइम पे स्टंट जो कुछ भी कर रहा था, जो इसको डबल नहीं डाल सकते हम, हमारा हीरो को डबल नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि मतलब उसका मजल, उसका जो कुछ भी फिट है बॉडी, उसका डबल कहाँ से ढूंढ के आएंगे. लेकिन जो कुछ भी किया है ओरिजिनल वही किया. इसके लिए उसको एक्शन प्रिंस करके दिखाया, और कुछ नहीं बोल सकता हूँ. और ये एक्शन जो कुछ भी कोरियोग्राफ करने से पहले हम लोग, मैं और अर्जुन सभी बैठ के पूरा एक मतलब स्टोरी बोर्ड बना के, प्रीवियस बना के, सब कुछ अप्रूव करने के बाद बजट के पास आए के, और एक मेरे से एक छोटा सा गलती भी हो गया. प्रोड्यूसर सर को नुकसान हुआ. वो मस्टैंग का चेस जो है, वो गाड़ी का पूरा नुकसान हो गया था. इधर ही बॉम्बे रेलवे स्टेशन के पास किया था. लेकिन सॉरी सर, अगेन स्टेज में मैं बोल रहा. लेकिन वो सर ने बोला वो कुछ भी होने दो, लेकिन अच्छा दिया ना, थैंक यू करके बोला. अभी भी अर्जुन सर बोल रहे थे और मेरा हीरो बोल रहे थे, प्री क्लाइमैक्स में जो है एक्शन, सब ऑडियंस को जो एक्शन का जो लो करता है, आज तक आपका साउथ का जो कुछ भी एक्शन आप देख रहे, एंटायर इंडिया, अभी वर्ल्ड में आप एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. हम हिंदुस्तान का लोग किसी काम के लिए कम नहीं है, हम जो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, इससे भी ज्यादा कुछ भी कर सकते हैं बोलने के लिए मार्टिन मूवी बड़ा ये बोलने के लिए चाहता हूँ।
बहुत बड़ा दिल है सर, मस्टैंग उड़वा दी सर। ऐसे होने चाहिए प्रोड्यूसर साहब के लिए, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। हाउ आई विश आई कुड से सर, एक जैसे एक्टर सिंगर आते हैं, हम बोलते हैं एक डायलॉग मार दो, एक गाना सुना दो। हाउ आई विश आई कुड आस्क यू टू
आप चले गए तो मैं कहाँ से करूँ,
इसीलिए तो जा रहा हूँ
नहीं आपको उठा के डाला तो अच्छा।
गिव इट अप फॉर हिम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एक बार जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए।
I really want to see that. Please. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೇಕ್ ದೋ.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸರ್, ಆ ನುಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಫಾರ್ ಶೋರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಅದು ರೀಪೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದಾಗಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಮನಸಾರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಖಂಡಿತ
ಖಂಡಿತ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ರವಿವರ್ಮ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಸ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 11 ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್.
Thank you sir for talking to us. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर बातचीत करने के लिए. And now from action choreographer, ladies and gentlemen, to dance choreographer again. Oi, look at this look, man. Shamira, he's like with shades and all, he's killing it already.
He's the favorite one, you know. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಹಿಟ್ ಹಾಡುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಹುಕ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹಾಕುವಂತಹ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಸರ್ದಾರಿಯಾ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಸರ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ, 21 ದೇಶ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಗಳಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು.
Hello, namaskar, good evening everybody. Actually, it's too early for me to talk on behalf of this cinema because still the visuals are about to come out. But what I would like to say when I see the trailer, when I saw the trailer, I had a little bit of a privilege to see it a little early as a team member. What I could feel in this, and it's by heart I'm trying to tell you, and I'm telling you this by heart, that when I saw Arnold in Commando and Stallone in Rambo and Dhruva Sarja in Martin is what I felt. That is the energy he's carrying on screen, and that is what we all are loving, and we need all your blessings, so please bless us, see the trailer and enjoy. Thank you very much. This is what
Thank you so much sir. एक कुछ step
वो दिखाऊंगा सर सॉन्ग के टाइम पे.
we'll do that. Thank you so much sir. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. Ravi sir would like to add something, please.
सॉरी, एक वर्ड बोलना चाहता हूँ. अभी जो कुछ भी आप ट्रेलर में एक्शन जो कुछ भी देखा है, इंटायर माय स्टंट टीम, मैं ये बोलना भूल गया था, सॉरी, लेकिन मेरा टीम जो मेरे साथ जो कुछ भी साथ दिया है वो आउटपुट है. आप जो देखा है उनको भी एक तालियां चाहता हूँ.
Big round of applause for his stunt team. Thank you so much sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಇನ್ನು ಇನ್ನಿಬ್ರು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಯುವಂತಹ ಸಮಯ.
She said it. वो fluency में था ना, so you didn't get it. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. Yes.
ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಮುರಳಿ ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮುರಳಿ ಸರ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ.
Our cinematographer Satya Hegde Saab is here, and of course Murali sir, the choreographer, of course. With the shades and all, sir. You're slaying it. So what would you like to say to all the people here? Because the visuals, whatever we've seen on that big screen up till now is fabulous.
Please watch trailer 1, then we'll discuss.
This is the confidence that we like, yeah? But talk to us about the teaser now. What was the most difficult thing, sir?
ನಿಮಗೆ
Capturing
ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
Shamira, what is this? There is no chappade, yeah? There is no chappade. I'm not playing. Nice, sir. Of course, we'll talk to you about the trailer once we watch it. But before
ನಿಮ್ಮ
that,
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ? ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಟೋಗ್ರಫಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅತ್ಯದ್ಭುತದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿರೋದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಜೊತೆ?
ಅದೇ 25 ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಟೋಗ್ರಫರ್ ಆಗಿ.
ವಾ,
ಇದೊಂದು ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೀಮ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೀಸರ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಗಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಮುರಳಿ ಅವರೇ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಮುರಳಿ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು. ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್? ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವ್ರ, ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರಿನರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಲುಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರ. ಈ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಈ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್, ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಒಂದು 17 ಡೇಸ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರು ಈ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸು, ಈ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ಸು, ಈ ಟೀಸರ್ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರೇ ಕಾರಣ. ತುಂಬ ಶ್ರಮ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರು AP ಸಾರು, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಿಪ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನೇನಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. AP ಸರ್ ವರ್ಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಸರ್ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರವಿವರ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಸೂರ್ ಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
That's so sweet. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. He said, all thanks to the wonderful team here, and it's only possible because of these wonderful people the wonderful people who've given you so much love for the BGM of Martin.
Thank you everyone. From Ugram till Martin.
Midlali KGF.
Every movie you guys are recognizing me. Thank you for the opportunity, and thanks to Mehta sir. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀರೋ. ಸೊ ಸಿನಿಮಾ मैंने जब पहली बार मूवी देखा, so then only I have decided, so I want to make something different. बाकी का मूवी मैंने जो किया है, so it's a little different for me, and I have tried little different in this background score. I think first 20 minutes you will get what you have spent in the tickets. So that's the guarantee I give you. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you very much.
He said, "Oh yeah, that's all." He's given that.
Only sound can.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us. Shamira, yes. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, as we're saying, this is India's first international press meet. You know, there are a lot of firsts that are associated with this movie. And one such thing being, they had asked the audiences
Yes.
that what would they like to watch after the teaser was out, right?
Correct.
And they were given options. The audiences were given options, and they were, asked to vote in for the love song, which I know is Dhruva Sarja sir's.
Favorite.
Yeah, that was your favorite option, I know. Trailer 1, the introduction song, or the theatrical trailer. And then what happened?
And 62 lakhs people participated in this voting pool.
Wow.
And 28 lakh 46,000. 28 lakh 46,000 people chose to play the trailer 1. That's why we are here today, actually.
Right. It's 2.8 plus million people who said that we'd like to watch the trailer first before the love song or the introduction, and that's why we are here, right?
True.
Yeah. So shall we just get down with the trailer?
Trailer, for
or
sure,
do we have
for
something
sure.
else? Well, you guys have to make some more noise. You guys have to make some noise. You guys have to do chapade, like louder chapade, and we'll play the trailer for you.
And for sure,
And
This
before
is-
that, we're going to watch the trailer in Hindi because we are in Mumbai. But
Correct.
let me tell you, the movie is being dubbed in
in 13 languages. 13
I'll
languages.
try and say this without taking a breath. Kannada, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Bengali, Arabic, Japanese, Chinese, Spanish, Korean, Russian, and English. Chapade, ladies and gentlemen, for this entire team. Wow, that's huge. कुछ बच गया था तो वो भी कर देते, इतने में क्यों रुक गए हैं ना? So
ठीक है. We'll watch the one and only most awaited trailer. Are
see,
you ready,
you know
Nitin?
why I'm looking at you? I want you to give a nice Kannada introduction to the
For
trailer.
sure. Okay.
देख के दिखाओ.
Thank you so much. I'm more than happy once again now. ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಇದರ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಇದೀಗ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ರೆಡಿ? ಶೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Shoot with your eyes, or it's just? I thought I would to shoot.
We'll call our team.
मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? We just
Please,
said
yaar.
no. Of course, we'll invite the team on stage, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll start with the director.
Arjun नहीं आ रही है. Did his journey with Ambari. After that,
Welcome, sir.
many more love stories. Now he's going to give a blockbuster action sequence movie. First of all, heartily welcome AP Arjun sir. Please be seated. Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, would like to invite on stage the man who's backed this ambitious project. Of course, हर किसी के लिए possible नहीं हो पाता. He's done it, and he's done it with all his might. Give it up for Uday K. Mehta Saab, the producer of this movie, ladies and gentlemen, who's made it all possible.
And it's his 9th movie, Machi. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ಗೂ 3 ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನನ್ನ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್,
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the very gorgeous, the very talented. Her first film was a Marathi film, right? Give it up for Vaibhavi Shandilya, ladies and gentlemen.
heartily welcome Vaibhavi Shandilya.
Welcome, please be seated. Thank you so much for being here. And of course, जिनको मैं मिलने जा रहा था, लेने जा रहा था, लेकिन इन्होंने रोक दिया बीच में. Give it up for the very gorgeous Anveshi Jain, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, Anveshi. Please. Now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, the man जिनके आजू बाजू ये सब घूम रहा है, the entire thing is revolving around him. I would say the humblest soul in this Audi right now. Please put your hands together for Action Prince Dhruva Sarja, ladies and gentlemen.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ one and only action prince ಧ್ರುವ ಸರ್ಜಾ.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor, it is a privilege, I would say, that we are standing over here and we are about to invite him on stage. He's the guest of honor. He's a legendary director, actor, producer and what not, ladies and gentlemen. Silver Jubilees ki baat kare to 15 of his movies have been there, done that. He's produced over 20 movies and acted in 192 plus movies and all super duper hits. Give it up for, ladies and gentlemen, Arjun Sarja ji. Welcome, sir. Namaskara. Sir. What we'll do is, before we do our question answers, sir, एक minute, दे दीजिए मेरे को. I'd request all of you to come together, क्योंकि we'll have a quick picture and then we'll go ahead with this, right? Come. Dhruva sir, I have a question for you. Before we take the questions from our friends, from the media, from across the globe, the first question that I'd like you to answer is, Mumbai mein ghum liye, you've been enjoying the vada paos, the auto rides. So how has the experience been till date? And I believe this is your first time in Mumbai, is it? Oh, it is. Come on, yeah, ek baar zordar taaliya. Come on, chappade, and we'll welcome him. The loudest round of applause.
Kasakai Mumbai. Just to answer your question, I was being real, bro. I'm really comfortable being real. I don't want to fake around, like not eating masala puri, pani puri. I am like this. So he's grown up like this. He made us to mingle with everybody. So we are like this, bro.
Amazing.
Let me introduce myself because so many people don't know who I am. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good evening everybody, my name is Dhruva Sarja, a Kannada film actor. I'm only 4 movies old, this is my 5th movie, and with the love and support of my family, fans and the people of Karnataka, I have come till here. This is my first worldwide press meet about our Indian movie called Martin. I'm feeling truly proud and overwhelmed to be present here. Kindly excuse us if we make any mistakes and show some love Let's begin.
All right, so here we go. How do we begin? Where do we start?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the big question right now.
Where do we start from?
I think, where do we take the first question from?
Okay.
Okay, so where do we get our first question from? Yeah.
Hi, my name is Laila. I'm representing FTV Film Award Hong Kong. My question for Dhruva, and why is there a tattoo which says India on your hand, and what do you have to say about India?
You want me to talk about India? Uh, India is the seventh largest country in the world, fifth in economy. Globally, we are 14.6 plus billion people with 12 different religions. In our country, we talk around 121 plus languages and 465 unscripted, means there is no lipi for that. About movie, we entertain all kind of movies with open arms. We are one of the biggest entertainment industries in the entire world. We also produce a large number of movies compared to other countries. There is so many things about India, and one interesting is Martin. And yeah. And we are one country where we have two electrifying stories which we all believe have happened. That's Ramayana and Mahabharata. And I'm proud to say we are in God's own country. I forgot to mention, welcome everyone to God's own country, India. And about the tattoo, please you have to wait till October 11th, so you'll get the answer, please. Thank you so much. Jai Anjaneya.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Wafid Durke. I'm from Roots Media UK. First of all, congratulations about the mind-blowing trailer. So my question is for Dhruva Sarja. What is the reason behind going worldwide? Like, why you going international?
Indian cinema has universal appeal, and it's time the world sees the incredible stories we tell. Plus, it's about showcasing our talent on a global stage. Honestly, as an actor, I wanted to get established. And according to producer, he wanted to generate more money out of this project. Honestly, yeah, that is the reason for going worldwide.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ingrid. I'm here representing East Wave Radio, South Africa. And my question is for Dhruva. Why choose this script? I mean, the main reason behind it.
The script had everything I was looking for, like intense actions, a gripping storyline, unique screenplay, and a character with depth. Plus, it's kind of a movie that will make you sit on the edge of your seat. Honestly, trust me, after watching this movie, everybody will be proud of Indian cinema. And one main reason is, story was written by my godfather, the legend, Arjun Sarkar.
Hi, Azwa. This is Shaikh from the Blue News UAE. So, the movie is going to launch on October 11th. Teaser came in 2023 February. What so long time, almost 20 months for the preparation?
Sir, good things do take time, we believe. We wanted every detail in perfect, and sometimes perfection can't be rushed, Honestly, we took we shot for 250 days for 150 minutes. We were that particular. Not only me, I shouldn't say that. I should say this movie is a technician's movie, because Ravi Verma Master is a great technician, Imran Master, Satya Hegde, the cameraman, cinematographer, he is very famous, and Murali Master. All my technicians worked hard. They didn't even compromise in one frame also. So that is the main reason I can say.
Hello, good evening. I'm Nisha from the Asian Weekly from Kenya. My question is to you, Dhruva. I just want to ask, what message or theme do you hope your audiences will take from the movie Martin?
Always believe in the power of perseverance. Never give up, no matter how tough the battle is. Just keep going. We have told this in cinematic way. So that is one message, I think so. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. This is Akanksha here from Film Middle East, Dubai. First of all, congratulations, because this looks like such a superb, ambitious film. And when people are talking about pan-India, you're going pan-global, pan-world. So congratulations for that. And how do you think the international audience will resonate with Martin? How do you think that the international audience will resonate with the movie Martin?
Definitely, because they get connected, because it's a universal theme. The universal theme of struggle and triumph are relatable worldwide. It's a story for everyone. We have all expressions. We call it Navarasas, means all 9 expressions. You can witness that within 150 minutes. You can witness that, and it is a universal theme, so everybody can understand. And yeah, that is the thing.
Hi, good evening. My name is Kamal Kaur. I'm from Nairobi, Kenya, representing the Asian Weekly. My question is for the very beautiful baby. I wanted to ask you, what sets apart, how does Indian cinema set apart from the rest of the world? How does it set apart? What is so special about Indian cinema that it's like, wow. Also, congratulations, this trailer is epic.
Thank you. Firstly, welcome to India. Yeah. And what sets apart India is the diversity that we have, the languages, the cultures that we share. And in India, the cinema that we show is all about the lives of the people in real life, and it resonates vice versa. So I'm sure as you explore India, you would love the cinema Martin, which we bring to Globe, and you will experience this similar taste, sweetness, which India has to offer. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Natalie from Asian Culture Vulture here from the UK. I have 2 questions. Firstly, for the king of action himself, Arjun sir, when you were writing the story, it's no secret that your surname is Sarja and that you are, as you said, the godfather of the prince. Did you always have this young man in mind as your lead, or did he have to audition and it was a lucky coincidence?
Before answering your question, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Respected media, the honorable guests here, and the cast and the crew of Martin. Good evening, everyone. And it's a fantabulous get-together here. This is the first time I'm being in the industry for 44 years. First time I'm seeing like global press. And again, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. There are so many languages I can see here. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು, ಸ್ವಾಗತ. தமிழ்நாட்டில் வந்திருக்கும் எல்லா பத்திரிகை நண்பர்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய முதற்கண் வணக்கம். అందరింది వచ్చిన మన పత్రికోద్యములందరికీ నా నమస్కారం, స్వాగతం. అండ్ ఆల్ మై మలయాళం ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఆశంసകൾ. అండ్ ನಮ್ಮ बॉलीवुड प्रेस सबको नमस्कार, प्रणाम, स्वागत है. And most of the people know who I am here, but few they don't know me. I don't want to take chance. I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Arjun Sarja, and I'm an actor, predominantly working in South Indian films. I direct, produce, and sometimes write also. And I'm like dinosaur. This is the fourth. It's almost like 44 years I'm in the industry now. Acted 190 films, odd films as hero in movies. So today, why I'm here, I have three reasons. Number one is, as I told you, this is the first time I'm meeting the press like this. At any cost, I didn't want you to miss this opportunity. The second reason is, I prefer calling the hero of this movie, Dhruva, as my son, rather than my sister's son. So he's very, very close to my heart, so I'm here. The third reason is, as you all already know, that I've done the story and screenplay for this. And again, I'm sorry, I welcome our media friends from different part of the world who has come here. And thank you so much, and I welcome you from the bottom of my heart on behalf of our Indian film industry and Team Martin. Thank you so much for coming all the way from there. And I'm sorry, I forgot my question.
The question was, did you write it specifically for this young man here?
It's basically somebody was asking a question to Dhruva that was this subject of coincidence. It's not coincidence because see, the kind of fans he has. This is his fifth movie. I don't know what magic he has done. They are hysterical. And basically he calls his fans not fans, he calls them VIPs. Very important. That's how he... So they expect so much from him. I haven't seen any actor, just he's 5 movies old, people expect so much from him, and then we were breaking our head, like what to write for him. This is the first combination we are working together, me as a writer and he's an actor. So I was thinking what to write, should be something big. And then this story happened. And thanks to our another hero, Mr. Uday Mehta. Without him, nothing could have happened. See, sometimes we write on paper, we write the situations, everything, but to make it happen with this kind of outcome, the producer should have the passion. So we have that kind of producer who has spent enormously on the project, and I really wish him more awards and rewards also. I pray God.
May I ask Dhruva a question? Firstly, can I just say, from watching the trailer, your personality is so different from the very gentle, mild person that we met yesterday at dinner. Truly, signs of a very good actor to be two totally different people. My question for you, I'm obviously from UK. Over the years, more and more we are seeing more and more Indian cinema reaching our shores. I just wanted to get your thoughts on the evolution of Indian cinema as a whole and its kind of global reach with regards also to Martin.
It's phenomenal. Indian cinemas is breaking barriers and proving that we have stories worth telling on a global stage. There are so many recent movies got released, like Kantara and so many movies. It got connected. So and we have a great platform like various OTT platforms. We have everybody can watch in regional movies. So yeah, we are one button away. So we should make use of these platforms. So that is the reason. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Hello. Yeah, hi. Good evening, everybody. My name is Hesha Chima. I'm representing India Today today. Congratulations on such a blockbuster trailer. We're looking forward to more such things coming. The trailer 2, I think, is going to be even more fantastic. What I do want to ask is, my question is directed to you, Dhruva. You've said that you're 4 films old, but you've been in the industry for over a decade now. Could you take us all through a little bit of your learnings that you've had via your experiences, and what's been your biggest takeaway so far?
Watching my uncle movies, his dedication, determination, his commitment towards movies, and his charisma made me follow his footsteps. I know there are so many people got inspired by him. Honestly, proudly I can say I am one among them. So when I asked him how I want to become an actor, he didn't talk to me for 2 days. Then he told, anybody can become an actor. Start thinking that you want to become actor first, then learn everything. So I told I want to become a hero. He told no, you should become an actor. Think you should become an actor. Anybody can become a hero, he told. Yeah, he's my inspiration, role model, and honestly, he's my superhero. Thank you so much.
No, basically, I just want to add on to his answer. His brother is Chiranjeevi, and unfortunately he's not with us now. But for Chiranjeevi, I trained him. I trained him in all, to become an actor. I trained him so much, the gymnastics, what all you need to be an actor. But for this fellow, I didn't do anything. He's like Ekalavya. He just learned himself. I didn't even launch him. He's the one who launched him. Because we had a production house and I'm a director. My brother was a director. We wanted to launch. But remotely he learned everything. One day I saw him like doing a wheelie on a bike and he fell. He fell. And he is a very good boxer. Very good boxer, and I can define him, though he's a small boy for me. Even I learned something from him. No, see, basically the dedication, the hard work, and the consistency. People will work out or keep doing things, but consistently doing that is very, very important. If you see his previous film, there's nothing graphically generated. In the first half, you'll be like a thin boy, school-going boy. You'll be, I think, some 50 kgs. And the second half is like, you should see his arms. It's like 22 inches of arms. He was this big. Nothing graphically generated. He just took 3 or 4 months gap. He worked out very hard. See, that's the kind of dedication he has. Just because he was saying that I'm his inspiration, basically things changes. So he has become our inspiration.
Hello, good good evening. My name is Devi from Indonesia. I'm representing Cinemax. I have rather a unique question for Dhruva outside of the movie about meme culture. Meme culture. Yeah, yeah. How do you receive it? How do you personally receive the meme culture in your daily life?
Meme culture.
Thank you.
Yes, I love it. Okay, tell me, if you're not a meme, are you even famous? It's all part of the fun and keeps things light-hearted. Yeah, until unless it is vulgar, even I enjoy it, man. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Yuzuma from South Africa. I represent Sunday World. My question is to any of you guys, what's your ideal movie genre?
I play a role called Arjun. It's a suspense thriller movie with action packed in it. And
Nah! You're not supposed to reveal!
Okay. I'm sorry for that. Martin don't want to reveal, I'm sorry.
Next question, please.
Hi, I'm Angel from Bureau UAE. First of all, congratulations. Trailer was awesome and action was outstanding. My question is to the heroine. What efforts did you take in preparing for the role?
So before I could answer your question, let me also introduce myself. I am Vaibhavi Chandelier and I've been in this industry since 7 years. मैंने कन्नड़ा, तमिल, तेलुगु इन भाषाओं में काम किया है, लेकिन मार्टिन ये मेरी पहली फिल्म है जो बड़ी फिल्म बोलते हैं करियर की, और मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ और आप सभी का आशीर्वाद चाहती हूँ कि मैं अपनी एक करियर के जर्नी का एक मोड़ ले रही हूँ, एक बिगिनिंग है ये मेरे लिए, तो आप सभी का आशीर्वाद चाहिए मुझे, प्लीज़ सपोर्ट कीजिए. एंड ऑल्सो टू द मीडिया हुज कम फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड, दिस इज़ अ टेस्टिमेंट टू द ग्लोब दैट our movie Martin has been reaching places all over the globe and really happy for your presence and enormous support. Please show us this love even when we release the movie and after that also. And getting back to your question, ma'am, yeah, efforts. Firstly, I would like to say that how did I get this movie? Because शायद नसीब में थी, I would say it was in my fate, because I met producer, director, DOP sir, Satya sir, and I think my audition and pictures were been sent in the production house, and Dhruva sir and Arjun Sarja sir had also been a huge part in my selection. I just had I already wanted a film in my career कि ऐसी कोई अच्छी फिल्म मिले, बहुत, क्योंकि मैं फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड से नहीं हूँ. I have started my journey by my own experience. And I just got selected in this. So firstly, thank you to the whole team. Thank you AP Arjun sir, my director. Thank you Arjun Sarja sir, my co-actor Dhruva sir. I should say one thing about him. यहाँ पे एकदम एक्शन प्रिंस की तरह दिख रहे हैं, लेकिन रियल लाइफ में अभी जैसे दिख रहे हैं ना, ऐसे ही है और जेंटलमैन है. एंड हमारे शेर दिल प्रोड्यूसर, इनके बारे में तो क्या ही करें, आपको देख के पता चल रहा है. सो मेरी तैयारी अबाउट दिस फिल्म was not really easy because Kannada is not my mother tongue. I speak Marathi, Hindi, English and other few languages here and there. Language was the only difficult part for me, but I made sure that I'll be doing all my lines by myself. I do not like taking prompts, so as to sit with all my dialogues 10-15 minutes बोलो या फिर even if there is some changes in their lines, I would just take my time, make sure that I'm performing it well so that my director is happy because he's such a director, he would never be okay. आपको समझ में आ रहा है 3 साल लग चुके हैं इस फिल्म को बनाने के लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि भाई ये बोलेंगे अच्छा करो और ना मैं नहीं ओके करूँगा. So that is one of the reasons. In तैयारी और बोलूँ तो I'm playing a role. Her name is Preeti, and just how her name is Preeti, love, which means love. So I'm bringing the love segment to the movie. And she's a small town girl, embodies confidence, bravery, and in the film, how pivotal her role is, and the twists and turns that it takes is all about that. Mumbai chol gaya me, yeah.
Thank you so much. Hi, hello everyone. Thank you so much for being here. You're so senior to me personally, and we are really glad. I'm saying this on the behalf of our team because I know Martin how much work has gone into it. और क्योंकि हम Bangalore से यहाँ पर आए हैं, I cannot even imagine कि how we could pull off this international press meet. So thank you so much for being here, guys. So speaking of the preparation that you had asked me what I have done for the movie, I would say not really much. I'll tell you how I got selected for the movie. I want to take you back to the journey of me. So I'm Anveshi Jain, and it is something that nobody would expect from a small town called Khajuraho, an engineer and an MBA holder who would one day see herself with such big stars and team on screen, on such a big screen. So it is a dream come true, and to be very honest, until today, so I was there in the other press meet that we had on the teaser launch in Bangalore. That was the first time when I could witness. So because I'm a part of the film, when we are shooting, we get an idea how big the project would be. But it had surpassed my expectation back then that, oh my God, I am a part of such a big film. So I come from OTT background. I have done shows, OTT shows here in Bombay, and my first show got me the title of Most Googled Actors 2020, and this is how I got this film. On Instagram, they saw me, I somehow resembled the character of a gangster. I don't know whether I should say it as a compliment or something else, but they found the character in me. So they thought that it would be very easy for me for the way I am on my social media. And after starting the preparation of it, I had to prepare for fight scenes and I had to do a lot of workouts, and then in between I got injured and I could not come on shoot because I had a very severe injury, which our producer, Uday sir, director sir understood and gave me that particular time to heal and then get back on set. So it was very cooperative. But having said that, I had no clue that I was a part of such a huge film which is actually going to be global, not just Indian, because I was already very proud of the fact that Kannada industry, out of all, Kannada industry is becoming an inspiration for Bollywood and for, in some parts, I would say even Hollywood, the action that you see. And you know the best part is that I'm proud of this film because of the human emotions, the connect. As somebody asked Dhruv, that what is the reason, why do you think international audience would be interested in watching a film wherein you are having a tattoo which says Indian? The fact of the matter is, it's not about India or Pakistan or war among countries. It is about one single intent and motive that drives you crazy. So you may find your hero in him, you may find that alter ego in him, you may feel that rage for that one particular intent that you would do anything to achieve. And that motive is so strongly aligned with no matter what race you are, that it will actually make you connect with him instantly. Doesn't matter the color or the caste or the place. So being a part of the film, I know the driving force is translating so well in the entire film, not just in the trailer. We assume that, okay, trailer is nice, the teaser is great. I hope the storytelling may somewhere, lack. But I assure you it's not going to. Because you think it's heavy on action, we feel that the emotions may not do the justice. But I tell you, Arjun sir has written the script. You can be just rest assured of the fact that it's a wholesomeness of visual treat, of the actions that we have done, of AP Arjun sir's extreme efforts. I want to tell you one thing. I won't take much of your time, but this man deserves this for you to know. So basically, when I have shot for other South films as well. I've done Telugu with Ravi Teja sir and other films I've done. Not much, but I have done some work. And I have never seen any man taking so much effort and time and hours and days to perfect one particular scene. So there was a scene wherein I was supposed to jump from down to a truck, and that was supposed to be taken up by chopper. And that scene, itne meticulously he was perfecting it, and I was wondering, I don't know whether do we really need so many takes and so much of perfection, even if something is wrong behind, like if something is wrong behind which you will not notice, he will redo the entire thing and we'll shoot it again. And that conviction, that precision, and that devotion, now I know. And my respect for him has grown multifolds for that learning that I have had on set. So that would be, thank you so much. Behind, like if something is wrong behind which you will not notice, he will redo the entire thing and we'll shoot it again. And that conviction, that precision, and that devotion, now I know. And my respect for him has grown multifolds for that learning that I have had on set. So that would be, thank you so much.
Martin commands. Girls, put your guns down right now.
I am Mohammed Asad, Egyptian journalist. First of all, thank you for having us, and it's really great pleasure and wonderful chance to meet all of you. My question to Drova is during the filming of Martin, were there any particular challenges seen or moments during the film? Challenging scenes.
Especially the climax part. Physically, emotionally, I was so exhausted, but after watching the final output, like after the final trim, I thought it is so worth it. Especially the climax. It was composed by Ravi Verma Master and Ram Lakshman Master. Yeah, the climax part I can say. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here.
Which is there? Okay. Oh. Yes, ma'am, please.
Hi, my name is Shireen Sharif. I'm from BBC World Service in London. Actually, first I want to congratulate you all for this film. It's very obvious how much work and effort you are putting in this film to make it a turning point for the Indian film in general, to step out of India and goes viral around the world. So good luck with that. I have two questions, one for the Prince of Action and the other one is for Audi, the producer. So I'll start with Dorva. Is it right?
It's cute.
Thanks. Excuse my accent.
That's okay.
It's
beautiful to hear. No problem.
So the question is, we see a lot of action heroes in many films. What was the special thing about Martin that attracted you to do the character that you wanted to highlight to audience? Should I say the second question now and then you answer, or later?
No, later.
Okay.
Actions are same in all the movies, but the way we react to the situation is always different. And also it depends on fight masters and how they compose the fight. Every movie has its audience, and every movie is a director's visualization. And yeah, I think I'm sure this movie will be unique in commercial ways.
रिलीज कौन करतो खडा नाही
Thank you. My question to Audi.
मुंबईचं हे ना
you trying to make the film
Ramesh Vyas?
professional.
No.
So you must have deals with this
We have also spoken.
around the world in different countries or regions. So if you already have a deal or not, or you can reveal that, and which companies or which people you want to reveal the names.
Actually, 6 months before I started getting mails and inquiries. People started to reach me out, and they showed interest to dub in their own languages. And because of their interest, I spoke with my team, and then we came to a conclusion that few countries already where Indian films are popular. So we thought when 2-3 inquiries are there, concretely we are doing, we added another 3 to 4. So we are giving an option for them. Other than Indian languages, they have their own local language to watch. So that is the first time any Indian film has taken this step. So we are experimenting that. Probably next, if we succeed in what we are doing, it will be a door opening for the others. So we are thinking in a very positive way. Everything we are doing, first time we are doing a international press meet. So I hope you all are there to reach out our film to them, and we hope good associations will happen.
In Abu Dhabi and Dubai, UAE. I just want to say thank you for being you. Thank you for your hospitality last night at the dinner that all his international journalists attended. And my question for you is, what's the greatest piece of advice that you've ever received, and from whom?
Stay true to yourself. It was advised by my amma, my mom. It is very simple, but trust me, it is very, very powerful. And also, I got an advice from my uncle not to sign any contract without reading.
Good one. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, this is Jess from Canada, Vancouver. I'm representing Urban Asian. It's in a North American online website, and we write a lot of Bollywood and Hollywood. Thank you for having us. Thank you, Dhruv. My first question is for Dhruv. It's a little bit difficult. I'm gonna put it in your limbo. Are you a director's man or a producer's man?
Mic drop question.
Honestly, I am audience man. Okay, if I had to choose one, I'll say I am director's man, because he's the one who brings vision to life. And in the process of post-production one, I am producer's man, because it is my responsibility as an actor. I want to make him safe in revenue wise. And after the release, as I said, I am audience man.
My second question is for AP Arjun sir. I want to know, you have directed the film, and it's incredible. Whatever we saw so far is quite mind-blowing. I was like blown away with all the music going on and the action going on. My question to you is, what was the most difficult part of direction that you had to deal with this film?
ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಏಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್, ತುಂಬ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. My name is A.P. Arjun. I am from Mandya, Karnataka. Okay. My first movie directing my 23.5 years called Ambari. My first movie. After that, Dhruva's movie, Adduri, second one, 2012. And Ambari and Adduri both are newcomers actually. Both films is very good revenue and 200 days running in theaters. After that, ಐರಾವತ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಾಟೆ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಓನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಒಂದು ಕಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಕನಸು, ನನ್ನೊಬ್ಬಂದಲ್ಲ, ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ರತಂಡದ್ದು. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗೂ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಂತಂತ ನನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರತಂಡ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮೊದಲು ಒಂದು ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗುವಂತವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್. ಆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ಯಾಷನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಉದಯ್ ಮೆಹ್ತಾ ಅವರು. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೊರಟಾಗ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಒಂದು 20 days ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ದು ಇದು ಏನೋ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ತಲುಪಿಸೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಧ್ರುವನ್ಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಂತಂತ ಆ ಚಿತ್ರತಂಡ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ರವಿ ಬಸ್ರೂರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತವ್ರು ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ ಕತೆ ಬರ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಐರಾವತ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕತೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ್ಲೇನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನೆರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ರವಿ ವರ್ಮಾ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾಮ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಾಥ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತವ್ರು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ 9 to 10 ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು 4 to 5 ಚೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು 5 to 6 ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಒಂದು 1.5 month ಕೂತು ಅದ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಹರ್ಸಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ನನಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಹೀರೋ ಧ್ರುವ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಈ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ, ನನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ಚಿತ್ರತಂಡ, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಂದ ಸೇರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೊರತು ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನಿಂದಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರತಂಡದ ಶ್ರಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ರವಿ ವರ್ಮಾ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ರವಿ ಬಸ್ರೂರ್ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸತ್ಯ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಮ್ದು ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕೂತು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ತಂಡ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಮಾರ್ಟಿನ್ ಈ 2 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಏನು ಈ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನ ಮೀರಿ October 11th ನೀವೇನು ಈಗ 2 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಏನ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ 2 ಗಂಟೆ 30 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇದ್ರ ಈ ಶ್ರಮ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷನೂ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ನನಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Yes, in simple words, he explained that he enjoyed the whole process and the whole team of Martin, all the artists and all the technicians, they supported him a lot. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್.
Thank you, Arjun sir. Yes. Already Martin has commented that he cannot reveal his character, so we have to obey Martin's command, I guess.
Okay, I'll go for a different one.
Oh.
What kind of research did you do for the role?
I was just being director's actor. The research was done by director. I was being director's actor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Once again, welcome back to India. Yes. Next.
Time up. Martin commands Kannada reporters to take control for the next 18 minutes.
ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ?
ಅದ್ರ ಕತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕೇಳೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕಥೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪಣೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಇವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಧ್ರುವನ್ಗಿರೋ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್, ಧ್ರುವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸೀನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸರಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾನು ಅವ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಗ್ಲು ಇದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ಇದನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮ 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 ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ ಸೀನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲೂ ತನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡದೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅದೇ ಮೈನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಕತೆ ಬರೆಯೋರು ಅದೇ, ನಾನು ಒಂಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಚಾರ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಸತಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅರೈವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Hi sir, this is Ramesh from TV5 Kannada. Sir, you are a legendary Indian actor, and you are a director, you are a producer, you are a writer. When you write the Martin story, you decided to give to AP Arjun to direction. Why did you not direct Martin movie, sir? What is the secret of Arjuna's?
Why should he direct?
Yes sir, please tell sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಬ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಧ್ರುವನ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಧ್ರುವನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅರ್ಜುನ್. ಸೊ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೂವಿ ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕತೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್.
ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಜಾನರ್, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು 5 ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ, ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾನು ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ದಂತ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅದು.
From Filmy Beat, Dhruva on your right. Hi, my question to you is that we recently saw Kalki that did really amazing at the box office. You know, it has set a bar this year because not just in the Telugu language, even in Hindi it did so well. You know, how do you think that Martin will be able to surpass Prabhas?
Bro, why do you have to even compare? They're all superstars. And honestly, I'm really happy for Team Kalki. They have done something really beyond everything. So I'm really happy for Team Kalki. I just want to congratulate them. And hearing to this question, it reminds me of shloka which is narrated in Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Sri Krishna Paramatma tells Arjuna, Karmanye vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalheturbuhu ma te sankostva karmani, which says, give your 100% to your work and leave the results to the God. And I think I have done exactly the same thing. I have given my 100% and I've done this movie and left the results to my gods who are my audience. And I address them as my VIPs. Thank you.
Sir, Alok here from Newstainment over here on street. Samna, yeah. Hi. Who's your favorite Bollywood actor and one actor you want to work with him in future?
My favorite Bollywood actor is Sanjay Dutt sir.
Why? Any reason why particularly?
And in recent times I got an opportunity to work with Sanjay Dutt sir for my next movie called KD. Honestly, I have good memories working with him. Few good memories, and he's not only my favorite actor, he's my uncle's favorite actor, especially my brother's favorite actor, even my producer's favorite actor. So I'm really happy I'm working with Sanjay Dutt sir. He is all-time favorite. He's my favorite
actor. You
actor.
want to work in future? One actor you want to work in future in Bollywood?
I don't mind working with anyone. Honestly, according to me, cinema is bigger than everything. So if cinema requires, I will definitely work with anybody. Thank you.
Hi everyone. This is Ria representing Instant Bollywood. My question is to Dhruva. From South actors like Allu Arjun, Ram Charan, Mahesh Babu, and etc. Who do you look up to and would love to work with?
It's really hard to answer. If I had to really pick one, my personal favorite is Junior NTR sir. If I get the right script with the right content, I will definitely work with any of them. According to me, as I said, cinema is bigger than all the stars.
Thank you. And my next question is to producer, right there. What inspired the storyline of Martin and what were the challenges that you faced?
It's a unique script. So the pattern itself, it's a new way of screenplay what we have adapted. So that inspired me. And making challenges what I faced is because it has taken a lot of time to organize things and the dates. And one thing, a special mention here, without my hero Dhruva Sarja's support, because he has transformed his body and he has given he said 100, but according to me he has given 200% for this film, and he has stood by this project like a pillar, backbone. And one more thing, Arjun Sarja sir, he has given the story and he has always guided me, because it is not a small project. It is a magnus project of this stature what we have created. It required lot of support from all my team, my director, my cameraman, my choreographer, my music director and action masters, including our heroine Vaibhavi and Anveshi, and all our production staff, direction department. They all had to stay with us for a so long period. It is not easy for anybody to stay for that much of period, dedicating their time for one film. So in this opportunity, I would like to thank everybody who have stood with me for the project. So without them, Martin wouldn't have been happening. So I thank again everybody on this occasion. And I hope everybody what you have seen today, the trailer, I hope you also understand why we have taken 3 years.
Thank you, sir. We have many journalists today, so I request everybody to ask one question each. Thank you.
Hi, you're this side. Hello, this is Astha from Awesome TV. First of all, congratulations, Dhruva sir, for being a father. It's of course great. And my question follows up. Does being a father also impact your choices of films?
Ma'am, even before I got married, I had few principles of my own. That I always wanted to do movies for all age groups. Honestly, I have so many kids as my audience. I don't want to do any bad scenes, honestly, like adultery scenes, something like that, and embarrass my audience. I have never done it before and I will never do it in future as well. After becoming father, just forget it.
Hello. Hi, this is Riaz Ahmed from MTI News. I have a question to Mr. Dhruva. So, right from your beginning, right from your debut films, you have been a sensation. So far, all your films have very good box office records, very good collections. How do you deal with success?
Is this a question or a compliment, sir?
Compliment as well as question, sir.
Anyways, thank you so much. It made me feel good. Thank you so much. I see so many people appreciating me after watching my movies. But when I watch my own movies, all I see is where I can improve myself and do better in my next. I know there are so many people out there who are more talented and trying for opportunities. I can even see aspiring actors. When that is the case, I don't want to take any of this for granted. I have taken this as profession, and each day I try to compete with myself. Yeah, that's it, bro. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Pratham from the Free Press Journal here. My question is to Dhruva. Over the years, so many actors from down south have made inroads in Bollywood. Post the success of this film, which is of a humongous scale, do you see yourself working in Bollywood films as well?
Honestly, there is no bifurcation between Bollywood, Sandalwood, Tollywood or Collywood. To me, it's all about Indian cinema, and I am an Indian actor. According to me, languages should never be the barrier. Now, because of various OTT platforms, people all over the world can even watch regional movies. That's what I believe in, and that's where India has reached today. Oh yeah, thank you.
Hello. Hi, this is Jaya here from Bollywood Now. So, as you said, other than Martin, you'll also be seen in the KD as Sanjay Dutt. You're doing the devil character, if I'm not wrong. I want to know from you, how was the experience with Sanjay Dutt, working experience with Sanjay Dutt, and if some details about it.
Yes, my next movie after Martin is KD. As I said, I have few good memories working with Sanjay Dutt sir, and yeah, it is produced by Venkat sir. He's a big businessman. He's a passionate producer, and also Suprit sir is the producer, and director of the movie is Prem sir. So let us talk about that in our next press meet, in KD's press meet.
Any life-changing moments so far, Dhruva, in your career, both as a person as well as personality, that completely changed the course for you, impacted you to be able to play this character, as well as a journey that completely altered the course for you?
I think it was on June 15th when my movie Adhuri got released in 2012. That hit me hard when I saw people saying good job. I think that was the moment, that was the only moment. Yeah, thank you.